Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated drone releases of the year, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro. After months of speculation, leaks, and rumors, the official specs and release date are now confirmed. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro promises to be a game-changer in the world of consumer drones, offering several enhancements over its predecessor, the Mavic 3 Pro, and it's certainly setting the stage for some exciting developments in the drone industry. The wait for the most advanced DJI consumer drone seems to be over. Online retailers have leaked virtually every spec of the upcoming Mavic 4 Pro, including the official release date, which is confirmed for May 13th. This news comes from Jasper Ellens through Drone XL, who also shared promotional images teasing the launch set for May 6th. Now that we have the official details, let's break down what makes the Mavic 4 Pro a must-have drone for both enthusiasts and professionals. The camera. Revolutionary upgrades. One of the standout features of the DJI Mavic 4 Pro is its camera system. The previous Mavic 3 Pro already impressed many with its triple camera setup, but DJI is upping the ante this time. The Mavic 4 Pro will continue with 3 lenses, but with significant upgrades in photo and video resolution. The primary camera features an all-new wide-angle lens paired with a 4.3 CMOS sensor. This improved sensor allows the Mavic 4 Pro to shoot in 6K at 60 frames per second and 4K at 120 FPS, a big leap from the 5.1K at 50 FPS on the Mavic 3 Pro. This boost in resolution will deliver sharper, more vivid images and stunning video footage. Furthermore, the dynamic range has been boosted to an impressive 16 stops, a feature traditionally reserved for high-end cinema cameras. This clearly indicates DJI's commitment to creating a fully capable professional drone, capable of capturing cinematic shots with exceptional color accuracy and exposure control, low light and night photography. The Mavic 4 Pro also brings significant improvements to its low light performance. The new CMOS sensor boasts an effective pixel count of 100 million pixels, compared to the 20 million pixels on its predecessor. This upgrade makes the Mavic 4 Pro the best drone for low-light and landscape photography, allowing it to capture crisp, clear shots, even in challenging lighting conditions. The telephoto and HDR lenses are also getting an upgrade with larger CMOS sensors, increasing their ability to capture dynamic images across a wide range of focal lengths. These lenses come equipped with a f2.8 aperture for better light capture and enhanced dual native ISO fusion, enabling the drone to shoot high-quality HDR video at 4K 60 FPS. Whether you're shooting wide landscape views or detailed close-ups, these camera upgrades provide the creative flexibility professionals demand. Gimbal and camera movement. One of the more exciting upgrades is to the Mavic 4 Pro's gimbal. DJI has redesigned the gimbal, moving away from the circular frame design seen in previous models. This new design offers 360-degree horizontal rotation, allowing for more dynamic, creative camera movements during flight. Whether you're capturing sweeping aerial shots or fast-paced action scenes, the gimbal will provide smooth, fluid footage with greater versatility than ever before. Video. Transmission. OcuSync. Plus, when it comes to video transmission, the Mavic 4 Pro introduces OcuSync Plus, an advanced transmission system capable of streaming 10-bit HDR footage over a distance of up to 30 kilometers. This is double the range of the Mavic 3 Pro, making it a fantastic option for those needing extended range and minimal interference, even in urban environments where signal loss is often a concern. Obstacle avoidance, cutting-edge sensors. Safety is a top priority for DJI, and the Mavic 4 Pro doesn't disappoint. It's equipped with 6 high-performance low-light fisheye sensors that boast a 0.1 lux sensitivity, allowing the drone to detect obstacles in extremely low-light conditions. Whether you're flying at night or in challenging environments, the drone's omniscient obstacle detection system will help avoid collisions and keep your drone safe. Additionally, a LAR, laser radar integration on the front, will improve obstacle detection, enabling the drone to brake immediately when it senses an object ahead. This is a major upgrade in safety technology, ensuring that the Mavic 4 Pro can fly with greater confidence and precision. Flight time and performance enhancements. The Mavic 4 Pro also offers impressive flight time. It boasts a 51-minute flight time, a solid increase from the 40 minutes provided by the Mavic 3 Pro. The drone's maximum speed has been upgraded to 90 km/h, and it offers a total range of 41 km, ensuring that you can cover more distance while capturing stunning aerial footage. Whether you're flying through open landscapes or capturing sweeping cityscapes, the Mavic 4 Pro is equipped to handle extended flights with impressive performance. A game-changing drone in summary, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro brings several exciting upgrades, from its high-resolution camera and improved video transmission system to its advanced obstacle avoidance and enhanced flight time. This drone is packed with professional-grade technology that sets it apart from the competition. Whether you're a cinematographer, photographer, or drone enthusiast, the Mavic 4 Pro will give you the tools you need to take your aerial filmmaking to new heights. Should you upgrade? With all these amazing features, the Mavic 4 Pro is shaping up to be the best drone for professionals and enthusiasts alike. But the big question remains: should you upgrade from the Mavic 3 Pro or opt for the more affordable Air 3s? The decision will depend on your budget and whether you need the higher-end specs offered by the Mavic 4 Pro. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. Do you think the Mavic 4 Pro will live up to the hype? Or is the Mavic 3 Pro still good enough for most drone users? Don't forget to like the video if you found this breakdown useful, and subscribe to my channel to stay updated with all the latest tech news and product releases. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video!